If you're a beginner in Python and you want to learn what is the Python language and how you can use it in terms of making a bigger projects using the Python language, this course is for you. As we all know that the basis of machine learning and artificial intelligence and the data science, all these innovative courses, the basis is the Python. So if you develop a strong grip on the Python, if you develop a strong skill set in the Python, you will be able to getting a better opportunity to learn the other subjects a bit more faster, a bit more stronger, and that can actually give you an extra cushion about learning those new subjects into a massive extent. In this course, you will actually be learning the whole implementation of the Python language and how it can be used in terms of making a bigger and shorter projects and how you can actually integrate it with the web. And for further details, you can actually go onto our website and just open up the page and you will be getting the whole list of the elements that we are going to use in this course. Well, Python language has been having a great influence around the world in the different domains, in the different sectors, and that is where the Python language is definitely helping us out in most of our day-to-day problems, and that is where you can use and further progress it into a massive extent in terms of developing a real-time applications. Well, anybody can apply for this course. Anybody who is a beginner, anybody who knows the importance of Python, what importance it is bringing into the world, and how it is just completely changing the world, anybody can apply for this course. And we are pretty much open and we are pretty much making sure that every individual who is even a beginner actually get to learn every single aspect so that he can actually use that skill into his future development into a more promising manner. Python developers are getting massive salaries around the world. So if you are skilled in this language, you will actually be getting a lot of opportunities opening up for you. Well, the applying procedure is very simple. You can actually go into our website, just scroll it down there, and there is a Python with web course. Just open up the form, fill out with the basic information and submit it so that our representative will actually be contact you back, and that is where you will be getting a starting date of the course and you can join the course as soon as possible. Well, there are tons of the benefits for the students. There are tons of the benefits for the students in the whole lot of Becknowledge that you will be learning in a limited class of students, and you will be learning every single bit about what the trainer conveys it to you. The trainer will make sure that you will learn how to develop and how to create all those necessities that are required to be a part of the project. We are offering jobs ourselves in our software house, and we are actually making sure that a lot of doors open up for you towards the end of this project. So that you can actually cash in your skill in a proper and productive and professional manner. A top student, like in every class, a top student will actually be getting a full fee refunded back. So there is nothing to worry about if you're really skilled, if you're really hard worker, if you're really determined, and if you're really keen to learn new things. Your fee will definitely be refunded back if you ended up as a top. After this course, you will actually be getting a whole profile completion. You will be getting a rating from the trainer so that you can actually use that profile and get it and use it as a certificate in any top company. We'll be taking care at your back, and we'll try to make sure that you actually appear in all those bigger companies that are not getting open for you. There are also mean times training in the project. You will actually be getting to learn about all those skills that can actually grow your career a bit more faster, a bit more stronger. So you will actually be getting all those mean time trainings in terms of moving ahead at a rapid pace. My name is Afzal, and we at Becknowledge are just trying to polish the skills of every individual so that they can spend the rest of their life with whatever way they want.